Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video is two in one. That is, I'm going to tell you how. In this video, you are going to get different type of stylized ideas of borderline embroidery, but in a unique pattern. That how you can use borderline embroidery designs for embroidering your necklines. Different type of necklines like botneck neck, like V-neck, like long V-neck, like a deep V-neck, like different type of U-shaped necklines, to broader terms of collar style necklines, and many more creativities. So, but the whole neckline, entire pattern is designed with the help of a borderline embroidery. So you can design these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery, which could specifically be used for necklines to design your kurtis, shirts, sweatshirts. Even you can design these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto your sweaters or handmade, handcrafted, hand knitted wearables. Even the blouse of your saris, the blouse of your lehenga, formal dresses, and even as the neckline of your or you can give a very beautiful stylized pattern onto your neck scarves, onto your neck warmers, onto your neck wraps, onto your neck handkerchiefs, onto your neck stolers or neck mini shawls. Different type of stylized patterns are designed by following one unique pattern, that is borderline embroidery. Borderline embroidery could be designed for making the whole hemline of your shirts as well. And in a parallel fashion, you can also design the open shirt style pattern. A minimalistic embroidery onto clothes botneck could be designed. A long panel embroidery neckline could be designed. So different stylized patterns are being shared with you. I hope that you are liking and getting the idea of today's borderline embroidery usage for neckline and hemline pattern designing. So if you really like designs and creativity of today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Even you can use them onto the corners of your chalks, onto the borders of your shirts, onto the sidelines of your full length shirt pattern as well. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming designs on my channel.